I'm so excited. So excited. That was the most adventurous Domino's order ever. What the fuck? I literally ordered this, let me check, an hour and a half ago. So an hour passed and there was still no sign of the pizza. I got a phone call from the delivery driver saying he couldn't find the address. Fair enough. Oh my god, that washing machine is so fucking annoying.
6.5 hours later. Much later.
Please excuse the washing machine in the background. I know it's so annoying, but it shouldn't be long. I just don't know how to turn it off, so we'll blank that out. Anyway, as I was saying, an hour went past, still no sign of the pizza. Got a phone call from the delivery driver. He said he couldn't find the address to the house. So that was fine. I was trying to give him directions and I kept explaining, like, just put it into Google Maps and you'll find it straight away. And he kept trying to tell me that it's not in Google Maps. Girl, it's in Google Maps. I was still waiting, still no sign of the pizza, so I rang Domino's and I was like, yo, I ordered a pizza like an hour ago, still not here, the delivery driver is lost, he can't find my house.
What's gonna happen?
They were actually really nice on the phone. He was like apologising and he said that they were going to send it out fresh Domino's and they were going to, what's the word, reimburse? I don't know, they were going to give me a coupon for like this same amount for free next time. As I hung up the phone to Domino's, then the delivery driver started knocking on the door and I opened the door and he got really, not pissy with me, but like he was just kind of saying that he couldn't find the address, but like how is that my fault? I gave him the address. Anyway, I was like, oh okay, like, you know, that's fine, and I was being like really nice, you know, I'll take the pizza and I'll just ring him back and say that there's no need to send out more pizza, and he just turned around and walked away with the pizza and I was like, okay, bye. Got here eventually, like an hour and a half later, they sent me out more. I bet it's probably so weird to see me back and to see me uploading a video. I'm back. I wanted my first video back to be a mukbang or a mukbang. I'm just going to eat Domino's and you can watch me eat Domino's and maybe you can order some Domino's too. I'm going to explain where I was, why I wasn't uploading. This is going to be really hard to try and talk and eat. I just like eating and not talking. We'll try. Things have changed. I'm back in college doing second year of beauty therapy. I think the last time I filmed a video I said that I wasn't going to do second year and that I was just going to do YouTube or something along the lines of that, and then I didn't upload for like 3 months, so you know. I also moved again, so me and Jared are like renting a place again and it's great, you know, it's fab, it's fun, and it's really close to college as well, so it's so handy. Like I can get up out of bed like a half an hour before I have college and then walk to college. It's brilliant. I probably shouldn't mention what I got. So I got pepperoni pizza, cookies, and oh, I'm missing something. No, I'm not, it's here. Garlic bread, and lastly I got some nachos. I don't know where to like put all these so you can see them, because like I know that's the whole purpose, is it? I don't know, I don't do these often. I wrote some notes on my phone that I wanted to talk about in this video, because to be honest, like I didn't actually know when I was going to upload again, and people that I knew and watched my channel, they were like asking me, you know, when am I going to come back and that I should start making videos again. And it's like when someone tells you that you should do something, you like do the opposite. So I was like, yeah, you know, and then I just didn't upload. Whereas if someone was like, oh, I hate your videos and you should never upload again, I'd be like, I'm uploading. Also, I'm sick again. I've got like tonsillitis for the 3rd time in like a month, so I'm on antibiotics.
That's fun.
I'd say in the last year or so I've changed like so much to what I used to be like. Well, I think anyway. Along with that then I just kind of forgot about YouTube, and I just felt like that my content was just really not childish, but it was just kind of like the old me. Anytime I thought about YouTube I was just kind of like, oh, you know, it's something I used to do when I was younger. And also I started YouTube when I was 18 I think, and I'm 22 now, so 18, 20, 22. That's 4 years ago, so I've been doing YouTube for 4 years. My views haven't gone up that much in 4 years. My subscribers have a bit, but my views haven't. So when you're doing something for 4 years and you're just kind of getting the same results, you get kind of, you just feel like, what's the point in coming home after college and then going to work to then try and film a video? So you'll have to set up the video, thinking of an idea, film it, edit it and upload it for like 100, 200 views. Like, what's the point? But then that was the kind of like mind frame I was in for so long. The more I was thinking about it, the more I kind of like missed YouTube and I missed uploading. And instead of thinking like, what's the point is that I actually do like making videos. So that's kind of why I'm back. I just want different content for my channel, and I just want to make different videos. And I say that a lot on my channel, that I want to make different content and stuff, but I just don't really know what that is yet. You feel? Okay, I'm gonna try some of this garlic bread, because garlic bread is my favorite thing from Domino's. Little fun fact, I used to hate pizza when I was younger, and I used to only order the garlic bread. So also this year I kind of made more friends, and I started like socializing a lot more, because up till this year I had friends that I talked to or whatever, but I didn't really socialize that much. I used to just stay at home and like watch YouTube videos and make YouTube videos and all that stuff, which was fun.
I know you love the sesh, boy.
So Jared likes to disturb me all the time and shout down to me when I'm trying to film. He's nice like that. And I can't even remember what I was talking about. That's cool. I think what I remember saying was that I used to not go out. Hold on. What I was fucking trying to say is that I used to not go out that much, like socialising and all that stuff. I used to stay inside, watch videos, make videos, and just like hang around Jared literally all the time since I was 16. That's like 6 years, no, yeah. That's like 6 years ago. So like 6 years I've been doing that, and like that's fun and all that stuff. I spent a lot of this summer like meeting up with people, making friends, socialising, drinking.
Damn, it feels good to be a gangster.
But then you can kind of go overboard and like fall down that trap. That's literally all you want to do. You just want to go out drinking all the time. That's kind of like a waste of time, because you go out, you get drunk, you wake up, and then you're just sick for the day. So that's 2 days wrote off completely if you're only going out one night. Has like pros and cons, obviously. I also just stopped watching YouTube videos as well, so I was just so out of the loop. I didn't know what videos were popular, what people watch, who people watch. Like I just didn't have a clue. I just stopped watching YouTube completely. Partly I just didn't have time. I'm hoping now, like if I get back into the swing of things, that I can start making videos again. Fab. I actually love Domino's nachos so much. I need a tissue. The one thing that I actually regret about this order is that I never got a drink, so I had to just get water. Like how boring is that?
Cheers.
What else did I want to talk about? Okay, ew, I have enough of these. She says as she puts more in her mouth.
Oh my god, I love your lip gloss. What is it?
Domino's grease. I think I'm gonna have a cookie and wrap this shit up. These honestly are the best things ever. I want to apologise for my absence on YouTube. I look forward to making more videos in the future. Lots more. I hope you enjoyed this video. It's a bit all over the place. I'm really bad at multitasking, so I'm finding it so hard to eat and talk. I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye, cookie. Love you.